Business Innovation MBA is a unique program to create and manage corporate innovations and new ventures. The program is built in a way that students start working in teams from the beginning and they will end in teamwork. All the courses that they really take are integrated with the projects and they work in real-life context. The studies will start with a very intensive 1 weekend long boot camp where students really build teams and they learn how to validate business idea based on different business models. The bootcamp is followed by many courses that are all integrated, but the most remarkable courses are project management, product development from user experience perspective, business negotiations, and entrepreneurial finance.
Our business is about creating value to customers and also shareholders. The investors will make investment decisions based on financial statement numbers. It reflects the weaknesses and strengths of the company. So for managers, entrepreneurs, numbers are a must. You have to understand the financial statement numbers. You have to understand the investors, and that's why you have to understand financial statements.
Corporate governance is a good recipe for building a company. That's why I think corporate governance is really important as well. Corporate governance in business innovation in Estonian business schools covers the following topics: how to set up a new venture, basically whether it's a startup or a spin-off of an existing company, how to build relationships between the managers and the stakeholders, how to avoid conflict of interest, how to run your business basically very smoothly, and all other relevant topics related to it, for instance, even business ethics.
Because these investors, they're not buying your product, they're not buying your service, they're buying you. You are who they want to get, you and your team and your ability to implement, and you have to convince them of this. Everyone's got an idea. Everyone has, oh yeah, we're gonna have this business and it's gonna be amazing, but you gotta actually do it. And they want to believe that you can do it. You are selling them a promise that I am gonna be able to do this, that our team is gonna be able to implement. And they have to feel good about that. They have to feel like, yeah, I trust that person. This person is realistic, but they're ambitious. And I think that they have the ability to do it. And you need to communicate that. Otherwise, all the numbers, all the best thing in the world is not gonna help you at all.
The business negotiation course in the Business Innovation MBA is actually part of the essential toolkit for starting entrepreneurs. And even if you don't start a business as a result of going through this program, even if you're just in-house and pitching projects, then that is essential knowledge about how to approach other people so that you would actually get a very good decision. You learn to listen as well as react. Sometimes you learn not to react. You learn how to read people. And you learn specific structure elements, how to approach negotiations in general, so that you would get the outcome that you want. So when they go back after the MBA to their workplaces or their ventures, then they have actually new skills to implement.